Welcome to another DeviceJockey tutorial. Today I want to show you how you connect DeviceJockey with Logic Pro X and how you automate the MIDI data of your plugins. Open your audio MIDI setup, then you go to Window, MIDI Studio. Open MIDI Studio and open the Bluetooth configuration. Now switch to your iPad, open the DeviceJockey app, hit the menu icon in the left corner and go to Settings. There are two ways to connect with your Mac via MIDI. First way is the MIDI Central, when you want to control several MIDI devices as a master. To connect as MIDI Central, go to Bluetooth configuration and click the Advertise button. Your Mac appears now as Bluetooth MIDI device and connects. The second way to connect is as MIDI device. Hit the Advertise MIDI device, go to your audio MIDI setup and connect your iPad. If you want to connect via USB, this would be the button you should use to see everything in the DeviceJockey app. So, let's open Logic Pro X and create a new project. We will add a new instrument track with the BBC Symphonic Orchestra Discover plugin by Spitfire Audio. This edition of the plugin is totally free and sounds really nice, so I can definitely recommend to take a closer look at that. So, how does it sound? Quite nice. To have a good control over the sound, we want to change the parameters for dynamics and expression while we play our MIDI keyboard. So, that sounds much better. As you see, there is a MIDI CC 11 for expression, CC 1 for dynamics, CC 19 for the reverb, and the volume is CC 7, and we have CC 10 for the panorama. Now we want to control these MIDI CC data with our DeviceJockey app. Go to the menu interface and create a MIDI out interface. Make sure that the right interface is connected and in green mode. Then we will need a MIDI in interface. Now we add a slider object to our panel. Just size it to fit your fingers perfectly. Let's make some copies of that. Size and arrange it as you like. Then let's add a rotary. The first slider controls the expression. The second one is for dynamics. Next is our reverb. Then there comes our volume. And last but not least, we have the rotary to control panorama. Now we need to add a command to our expression slider. Select a MIDI range and you will see it's a control change and the controller is CC 11. Now add an event CC, MIDI range, controller 11. So now we do the same with CC1 for the dynamics. and CC19 for the reverb. CC7 for volume. And CC10 for the panorama. Now let's see if we can control something. Yes, we can control everything. Very cool. Now we want to record the automation data. Go to the track and hit A. Select Record Automation with MIDI regions. So let's record something. So we have recorded automation data, but our sliders get no information back from Logic. What we need to do is, we need to move the fader for expression in our BBCSO plugin. Then we go to our control surfaces and learn a controller assignment for expression. Now you are in learn mode. Just move the expression slider in your DeviceJockey app and name it. Now you're finished with that. Go back to your plugin and do the same thing with the dynamics fader. Then go back to the plugin. Repeat with the reverb. Then we do the same with our volume. And last but not least, our panorama. And we see it works perfect! Job done! Just to give you an idea what DeviceJockey can do. You can add labels, name them, change designs. You can add buttons, select icons, and the DeviceJockey app supports OSC now. So here is my control center with all the functions I need. I have hotkeys, transport functions, plugins, a piano perfect for on the road sessions, and even individual mixer setups are possible here. Thank you for watching. Get in touch.